Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you put text on Instagram post and basically create an Instagram post with only the text on it like you would maybe on Facebook for example. If that's what you're looking for, you can follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to be using the Instagram app for this process, let's get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Find Instagram from there and go ahead and make sure you have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in the app. After that, you can quit the store, of course. Now let's go ahead and open Instagram. From here, make sure you are logged into your account and we have to improvise to make this happen. And I'll show you exactly how. It's very easy actually. Go to the stories screen by swiping left and from here, take a picture. It doesn't matter how the picture looks like because we're gonna change it or change the background color by tapping the three dots in the top right corner first right here. And then from here tap on draw, this option right there. Choose the color of the background that you want in the bottom right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick green. Then tap and hold on any place on the picture that you have taken and voila, that's how you do it. Tap on the tick in the top right corner to save this. And from here tap on the double A's in the top to add your text. From here, write whatever you want. You can change the font, the background of the text, or the colors in the top. The fonts are in the middle of the screen right here. You can tap on done in the top right corner, tap again on the text if you want to edit any more. From here, I'm gonna change the font and then tap on done in the top right corner, just like that. Now, after that, I'm gonna tap again in the top right corner on the three dots. This time, I'm gonna tap on save to save this picture basically on my phone. Wait for a couple of seconds and voila, now quit from here. It doesn't matter anymore. From here, just tap on the plus button from your main screen on Instagram and pick the picture that you have saved and tap on next in the top right corner and you can proceed in making this a post, and that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos, guys. Thanks.